Why do I need to come back to the chiropractor after an adjustment? It's a good question. Typically when patients come in, they have bad patterns that are happening in their body. So how patterns are formed is through repetition and length of time. Now, when you get adjusted, we are resetting that or setting a new pattern. That means that it's going to take repetition and a length of time for that new pattern to set in and get rid of that old pattern. That is why it's recommended to be coming back to your chiropractor for a length of time that they've given you. If you want to see the benefits for yourself, book in a consultation and I'll take you through it.